Hey everyone, Leo here. I've spent 20 plus years building notebooks, planners, and packaging for global retailers. Today, we're unpacking a tiny detail with outsized impact: lamination. It's not just a cover, it drives durability, readability, perceived value, and margin. Let's make the call between matte and gloss in 5 minutes with a clear checklist you can drop into your RFQ. What lamination actually does. Lamination bonds a clear film to printed paper using heat and pressure. You get better scratch and moisture resistance, longer shelf life, and more premium hand feel. Film thickness in mills tunes rigidity for covers and boxes, or flexibility for brochures and calendars. If you care about fewer returns and cleaner unboxing, this is where it starts. When to use which fast map: premium, professional, matte, or soft touch, matte, velvety, low glare, upscale, vivid graphics, photo heavy, kids gloss, saturated color, wipe clean, text heavy, office lighting matte, anti-glare, pen friendly, large rounds, cost sensitive gloss, budget efficient and durable, matte versus gloss. The one-screen comparison. Look and feel. Matte, non-reflective, sophisticated, soft, velvet touch. Gloss, shiny, high contrast, instantly eye-catching. Readability and writing. Matte, no glare, pens, pencils, write cleanly. Glare, under bright light. Some inks smudge or dry slowly. Durability and care. Matte, hides fingerprints. May show scuffs over time. Gloss, wipes clean. Fingerprints, scratches, more visible. Cost. Matte, typically higher unit cost. Gloss, cost effective at scale. High impact use cases. Matte, soft touch, pro notebooks and planners, luxury gift boxes, business cards, formal invitations. Gloss, children's books, promo labels, stickers, postcards, and brochures, photo-led covers. Match finish to your channel and audience. That's how you win shelf appeal without overspending. Buyer checklist, copy, paste this. Environment, retail, spotlight versus office, lighting, glare tolerance. Handling, daily use, need wipe clean, writing on the cover. Design, text versus image. Consider spot UV on matte for contrast pop. Budget and volume. Matte for premium, gloss for scale. Sustainability, FSC paper. Ask for recyclable, bio-based films or water-based coatings. Samples. Always demand side-by-side swatches under real lighting before PO. Advanced finishing combos. Soft touch plus foil. Emboss for instant luxury. Matte plus spot UV on logos or imagery for subtle drama. Gloss plus deboss. Foil for bold retail impact. Used correctly, these combos elevate perceived value far beyond their cost. Sustainability, lens. Classic films can complicate recycling. Options to explore. Recyclable, bio-based films, water-based varnish where full lamination isn't needed, and design for reuse packaging. Also, check FSC, REACH, Prop 65, CPSIA compliance, and ask for recent material test reports. This is how you align brand promise with procurement reality. Bottom line, matte equals readable, tactile, premium. Gloss equals vivid, durable, cost efficient. Pick based on user scenario, plus brand, plus budget. Then validate with physical samples. The right finish improves customer experience, reduces returns, and strengthens margin. If you want side-by-side matte, gloss, soft touch samples, my team can help fast. Thanks for listening. I'm Leo from Lion Paper Products. We run China, Cambodia, Korea capacity under ISO 9001, FSC, SMETA, and we can turn 5-7 day prototypes to help you finalize finishes quickly. Let's spec a finish that sells